This is the third example. All right, third example. So let us assume we write something here and we want to edit it. So what we'll do, we'll just select the cell and we'll press F2, and as you can see, the cursor is rightmost part of the sentence that you have written. As you can see what it's written here, I will read it out for you. Edit the active cell and put the insertion point at the end of the content. Or if editing turned off for the cell, move the insertion point in the formula bar. So it depends. If your editing is enabled, then it will move to the end of the content, or else as written in the to-do list. All right. So let's quickly move to the fourth keyboard shortcut, that is Shift plus F2. And what is the use of it? I will explain it. I will try to explain it in a very decent way. Like, let us suppose, right, Ram has some hidden comment. All right. So here it is written something and I want to comment something on it. So I will just, what I will do, I will just press Shift plus F2. All right. Shift plus F2. And as you can see, it is allowing us to write something here in the comment box. So we will quickly write something. The hidden message is hidden using is hidden message. Simple. We'll write this. We won't mess up with the text. All right. So this is the comment. Now, whenever we want to see the comment, we'll just go here and it will comes up. Here's a red corner mark. There you can just hover your mouse pointer and it will come up. So now what if you want to delete the comment? So we can simply do one thing. We can press right click and delete comment. All right, it's gone. So this is all about the fourth keyboard shortcut in the series of shortcut for formatting a text or a number. So let's move to the fifth shortcut, that is Control Shift and plus. What it is used to, it is used to insert a new blank cell, and that completely depends where you want to insert it. Like I want to insert it after the fifth column, an entire row I want to insert, a blank row. I will just press Control Shift and plus, and as you can see, it has inserted an entire blank row where we can write something. All right. Now I want to insert something after C, and I want to insert after B, and I want to insert an entire new row. So what I will do, I will select the entire content of, I will insert it after A. Okay. I will select the entire content of A, and all right, give me a moment. I'm sorry for this. And I will just press, and as you can see, it has inserted an entire column in front of A. All right. So this is all about Control Shift and plus. I hope you people are able to understand this. So I will just redo it, undo it. All right. Okay. Now moving to the next shortcut, that is Control plus minus. It is just reverse of Control Shift plus. What it does, like let us assume we have a column here C and we want to delete the entire column. What we'll do, we'll first insert one column before A, Control Shift plus, and now we think that it's unnecessary, we don't need it anymore. So what we'll do, we'll just press Control minus, and as you can see, the entire list of shortcuts has gone. Now you want to delete B, so we'll select it, we'll select Control minus, and entire row that contains the to-do list has gone. So we don't want it because I'm going to explain the shortcuts using that list only. So I will just undo it for the time being. It was just for the explanation. All right. So this is an explanation for Control minus. Now I will discuss Control Shift plus colon, and that is used to display the current time. So I will just select any column here, and I will just press Control, and I need to press colon. All right. So I will just press Controls and colon, and as you can see, it is it is displaying the current time. Now let me move to the next shortcut, that is Control semicolon, and it is very similar to the previous shortcut, just it is used to display the current date. So Control and semicolon is used to display the current date. All right. So this is all about Control colon and Control semicolon. Let me move to a very important shortcut now, that is Control and grave accent. And you people might be confused that what is grave accent. So I will explain it. Grave accent is something that you mostly see just below the escape key in your keyboard. and you can use shift to insert a title, and without shift it will work as a grave accent. So okay, it is as written, it is used to switch between displaying cell values or formula in the worksheet. All right. So let me just check what it does, and then I will try to explain it, because first if I will explain it first, it will be confusing for you all, and I really don't want it. We were discussing about control plus grave accent, and this is very important keyboard shortcut, and this is used when we want to see the formula that we have written for some particular cell. So I will give a very short example. So let us write something like maths eco, like so let me just write the marks, that is 100. I'm intelligent. I will just create a very short table, subject and marks. Here I will write total. So this is like subject wise marks for a particular student, and he's got 100 plus 100 marks in both the subject. Now I want to write a formula that will sum up both the marks and give us a total here. So we'll simply write sum, and we'll mention the column which we want to sum, and we want to sum f6 and f7. So we'll write f6 comma f7, and I will just okay, actually I pressed the grave accent earlier, so that's why it was doing its work. So what is the use of this grave accent? Like here we have written some formula here, like this is the formula for sum, and what it does, it sums up the marks of all the subjects and display it in the total column. So now let's do one thing. We have written some formula like sum f6 plus f7. This is the formula tab. So now we want to see what we have written. What is the actual formula? There are two ways of doing it. First, we can go here and we can see the formula bar, what it's written there. So the sum is 200, and when we'll press the Ctrl plus accent grave, as you can see here, it is displaying the formula in the same cell where it was earlier displaying the value. Now we'll again press the Ctrl accent grave, and it will display the value. So this is the rule of it's the use of Ctrl plus accent grave to check the formula that has been written in a particular cell. All right, so we have done till Ctrl plus accent grave, and it is used to switch between the displaying cell value and the formula in the worksheet. What we want to see, if you want to, there are many lots of long formula that comes up, so might be it is useful in that. So we are already running out of time, and we will discuss all of this remaining shortcuts in the next tutorial. So see you in the next tutorial, and if you have any doubt or if you have faced some difficulty in understanding anything, feel free to comment, or you can just write it down your doubts and we can discuss it in the next tutorial. All right.